Here I am taking a complete sheet of newspaper. We'll cut this newspaper in half. You can use any scissor or paper cutter as well. Now we'll divide one page of newspaper in 4 pieces lengthwise. Now keep newspaper piece horizontal on any flat surface. Now we'll use ball pen refill to roll the newspaper. You can use thin wooden stick as well. Keep refill diagonal and start rolling. Give support from left hand to make it thin till the end. Apply glue at the end and paste it properly. Remove refill. We'll flatten the newspaper stick with scale. Now we'll start folding the newspaper stick on any pen like this. Fold it tightly. Once done, remove the pen and apply glue at the end. Newspaper roll is ready. Now we'll make like this around 32. We'll take plastic bottle and cut it in half using paper cutter. We'll take cardboard. Cardboard diameter should be half centimeter more than bottle base diameter. Now we'll paste cardboard and bottle using glue gun. As a cardboard, I have used parcel box. You can use notebook cover. Cardboard is placed to give strength and balance to bottle. Now stick newspaper roll on bottle using glue gun. Like this we'll add all roll on bottle. I have added 2 rows of newspaper rolls. Similarly, I will add 2 more rows to cover the bottle completely with newspaper roll. Pen stand is ready with all waste material used.